Hi, welcome back to the channel. In this question, we'll be looking at the sum of angles in a polygon. Treating polygons is one of those questions I see students worry a lot with. In this video, we'll use this question to help us understand how to work with angles in polygons. That said, let's get into class. Now the question says the interior angles of a pentagon are given as 2x plus 5, x plus 20, x, 3x minus 20, and x plus 15. First thing is, let's note that the polygon we are talking about is a pentagon. Anytime we see the pentagon, it reminds me of how many angles? 5 angles. So the polygon we are talking of has 5 angles. And our formula for the sum of angles of a polygon is the same thing as n minus 2 into 180. Since we are talking about a pentagon, my n is going to be equals to 5. So that this will be the same thing as 5 minus 2 into 180, which is equals to 3 times 180. That's equals to 540. Now, if the sum of angles is equals to 540, that means my 2x plus 5 plus x plus 20 plus x plus 3x minus 20 plus x plus 15, that's the 5 angles we have in there, should sum up to 540. Now let's collect like terms. My 2x plus x, that's 3x, plus x, that's 4x, plus 3x, that's 7x, and plus x here, that's 8x. 8x. I have plus 20 minus 20, that's 0. Here is 15. 15 plus 5, that's plus 20, equals 540. Let's open another slide. So that my 8x plus 20 is equals to 540. My 8x obviously is equals to 540 minus 20, which is equals to 520. X will be the same thing as 520 over 8. 4 here is 2. 4 here is 130. 4 in 5, that is 1. 4 in 12, that is 3. 0, that's 0. And 2 here is 1. 2 in 30, that's 65. So that my x obviously will be the same thing as 65 degrees. X is the same thing as 65 degrees. So from here, you can begin to calculate from each of the angles. Now, thank you for staying with us. In case you have gray areas, please do not hesitate to use the comment section. We'll be there to respond to you. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Thank you, and see you in our next class.